Hello, and hello to all who have got the PH402 Adria. What I'm putting in today is an external Anderson plug connected to the battery for our mobile solar panel. So 2 meters, this is 2 meters, it's eBay, I think $30 delivered. And this one's actually good because it's got a fuse right near the positive battery terminal, which is very important. So what I'm going to do is a 10mm socket set. We're going to undo this end, so bear with me. We're going to undo this and we're going to run it through the front boot of the 402. Once I get it undone, just caught a little bit. That's it. And so we're going to take this out. We're going to feed this through the boot and connect it up to the positive and negative terminal of the battery, and we should be ready to plug our solar panel in. So just bear with me and we'll take you around to the front of the boot where I've used a 13mm drill bit to drill my hole in. That'll allow this to get through, and we can seal the holes later with silicone or a rubber grommet, whatever you prefer. Well, I have emptied out the front boot. This is a 2019 model, and I'll give you exact measurements. So we're 56 centimeters from the right hand side, the divider in the boot, and from the bottom of the valley of the flooring we are 7 centimeters. You can see this, it's a 13mm hole. Then along this valley, at the very end, we're talking about probably 50mm in, I've done another 13mm hole. 13mm, 13mm. The 13mm allows this to actually travel through the holes and into the battery area. So we'll go under the caravan now and show you where we're going to slide this in. Here we are under the caravan. I'm going to slide this through, if you can see this. Sorry, so feed the line through all the way. We'll just have that Anderson plug hanging out. We'll move back to the front of the caravan. Here we are at the front, and you can see that the leads have actually easily come through, and we'll feed this through to into the battery compartment. The reason why I'm putting it in the bottom of the valley is because the tie will sit here. So the tie will not touch this 12-volt wiring loom at all. And I'm pretty sure I will be putting double-sided tape down to keep this down away from that tire, which is rubber anyway, which is really good. Here's where we need to put some silicone around here, and especially at the other end where there's metal. You must put some type of silicone or grommet to stop any rubbing of the plastic wrap around the wire with the aluminium flooring. Here we are inside the battery compartment of the van. Here is the actual loom, the wiring loom for the solar panel, and we're going to disconnect the battery first, and then we're going to connect these up, making sure that we actually put back the fuse box. So this will help isolate the solar panel if there is some type of short. I think this is a necessary item. A lot of people don't put these in. I always put what I call a safety breaker in. So I'll disconnect the battery and connect this up and get back to you in about 10 seconds. Okay, that was a quick 10 seconds. So I've connected that, the positive and negative, and I've actually run the wires on this side of the battery because I want this breaker to be exposed outside the actual case. In case there's an issue, I don't have to take the case, the cover off here. I can just look at this breaker box and see if that's the problem, if the solar panel's not working. If that's okay, then I know there's no issue with the battery, it's the solar panel or the Anderson plug. This is what it looks like inside. So the lead is quite secure. And what I will be doing down here, you can see this, I'm going to put this Anderson plug there. So I'm just hoping that's clear. I'll screw that in and plug up all the holes with silicone or some type of grommet. Hope this helps everyone. It's a big saving on cost, but you can even use this if you need to use an auto electrician and show him what I've done. He may have a better idea or location, but I hope this helps. Bye.